Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite a while since I have last filmed and uploaded a video. I'm pretty sure it's been like a month. Life has just gotten a bit crazy and I really just have not had time to film or edit or upload. But I made it my mission to make sure that I get back into filming, get back into uploading for you guys and continue the year how last year was. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic the box. This is their March box. I actually have been getting them now since January, and like I said, I've been wanting to film and upload but I just have not had the chance. So I thought I would show you guys from March onwards what I do be getting in my Look Fantastic box. So if you want to see what's in this month's box, then please keep watching. Okay, so a little bit about the box from Look Fantastic. This is basically a monthly subscription box where you can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12, I'm pretty sure. Basically you can pay upfront or you can pay monthly depending on the, I was about to say prescription, depending on the subscription you get. I was lucky enough that my mum decided to get me a 12-month subscription for Christmas, and I just thought, why not unbox it with you guys, because I just absolutely love seeing what the monthly boxes have. And if you guys are wanting to know what's going to be in yours this month, then let's have a look. So the boxes come like this. They're just in a green cardboard box. You get like a load of free, what are they called, promotion cards, and then inside is all the goodies. Okay, so in this box I actually have 7 products this month, but on the website there's only meant to be 6, so I don't know if this was accidentally put in here or if it was meant to be in here, but I have it anyway. So I'll get that one out of the way because I don't actually have any information on it. But it is the Santier Parisian Embrace perfume. Some of the retin is already rubbed off, so oh, well, that's stunning. Oh my god, this smells exactly like YSL Black Opium. Let me see if I can find this on Look Fantastic's website, or like did this accidentally end up in my thing. Oh my god, that literally smells like YSL Black Opium. Okay, no, they do sell it on Look Fantastic. Santier Parisian Embrace. It has fruity notes of juicy nectarines, peaches and pears. They are the top notes. Then it has hints of bitter almond and licorice. I'm really enjoying this, but it wasn't meant to be in this box from what I can tell. So I don't know if you are gonna get it or not. I have no clue, but I'm just letting you know that this arrived on mine. Next in the box that I can see is this. This is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. This is what it looks like here. This is a 50ml and it is worth €31. The box itself you pay €17 a month for, just so you're aware of like the cost. So the fact that this is worth over €31 and the box is 17, this product alone has already bought the box. It says red puffy sagging skin. It's plumped and pumped to improve elasticity and volume around important areas of definition such as the cheekbones and jawline. Rodial's Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel products do not mess around. Specifically devised to tackle anti-aging, this innovative anti-aging cream forms a film-like second skin to protect this complexion and reduce redness. It simultaneously plumps and sculpts to improve tonicity and elasticity. Okay, this is basically meant to be an anti-aging product or reduce the signs of aging. Personally, I'm not in that stage of my life where I feel like I need anti-aging, but if you are, this seems like it'll do absolute wonders. I'm not going to open it because I'm actually not going to use it. I just find when it's stuff like this on my skin, it's just not what my skin needs, but it's good to have. It's good to have. The next product in this box is the Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It says it's hydrating, it helps to decrease the appearance of fine lines, it helps to improve firmness and elasticity, and helps to tighten and smooth. So this is what it looks like here. It is 30ml, so it's the deluxe size, and it's worth over €39. I do already have some qualms about this box, considering that 2 of these products are pretty much the exact same thing. Let me have a look to see what this one claims to do, but from right off the bat it seems that it's meant to do the same thing as the Rodial one, which I get that this is a cream and that's a gel, but to me I don't know why you put them in the same box when they pretty much do the same thing. So what I can find on this product, it says create a hydrating veil over skin with this cream. It's an intensive moisturizer that promotes a youthful looking complexion. Hyaluronic acid works to lock in vital moisture between the skin surface, soothing any irritation and plumping out the facial contours. Expect brighter, smoother and younger looking results. So yeah, it pretty much does the exact same thing, except I'm pretty sure this is more like a moisturizer, where that's more like a gel where it's meant to, I don't know though, like to me that's like, to me these are the same things. Let me know what you think about this, because to me these are along the same lines. Helps define facial contours and add volume. And then it helps decrease the appearance of fine lines, improve firmness and elasticity, helps tighten, smooth and lift. Yeah, to me these are the same products. So do I think these don't need to be in the box? No. But if you prefer a gel over a cream, or prefer a cream over a gel, it might be worth trying. But two in the same box? I'm not sure. The next thing I've pulled out is the Brushworks back combing brush. This is what it looks like, and apparently it is worth €5. Let's open her up and have a look. I do love a good back combing brush, and I actually find you can never have too many hair tools. So this is what it looks like. It's a lovely pink brush. It's got very firm bristles, as you would expect, and it also has like a really fine end, so it's great if you need to like separate your hair. I actually love these. I think these are great if you want to tease your hair. They're a lot more different than say your normal brush, and they're obviously better for backcombing your hair and teasing your hair. So I'm actually very happy about this. Okay, the next product that we have is the Espa shampoo. This is in the bergamot and jasmine scent. I'm actually really happy about this, because I'm pretty sure, did we get the shampoo or did we get the conditioner, or was it the hair mask from Espa either in January or February's box, and I was really happy with that. So to have the shampoo, I'm very excited. This is worth over €6. It's 75ml. To be honest, like that lasts you. Let me have a smell of it. Ooh, this just smells like a hotel. You know the way hotels usually always have Espa products? That's what that smells like. That smells absolutely unreal. It says it's richly fragranced with the finest pure essential oils. This shampoo naturally cleanses and leaves hair smooth and shiny, suitable for all hair types. I'm very excited about this. I love these little products. I think they're great if you're traveling. They're great just to even like try a product, and I'm sorry, that will give you a load of washes. Like, I'm pretty sure my other shampoo bottles are not much bigger than this, but I'm very excited to try this. We're down to our last two products. So the next product that we have is from Dr. Lip, and it's a superfood sweet potato tint, 100% natural lips, cheeks and eyelids tint. It doesn't have a name to it, but that's what it looks like there. I'm sure you know yourself, Dr. Lip does the nipple balms. That's what they're really well known for. Oh, sweet potato is the shade. They do different ones. They do red radish and elderberry. It's a multi-purpose balm that can be used to moisturize your lips or add a sheer wash of natural color to your cheeks and eyelids. Free from nasty ingredients and irritants, the clean formula boosts a list of just 4 natural ingredients, including Dr. Lip's signature medical grade lanolin. I'm very excited to try this, because I love a good lip tint. At the moment, I find, well, obviously besides now, if I'm just doing a natural look, maybe for work or say like just on an everyday basis, I'm reaching for lip tints more. I'm currently using the Fenty one, and I absolutely love this. That one's a bit more red, so I'm intrigued to see how the pink goes, because this is like a perfect size for your handbag. No matter how small your handbag is, like this will fit. So I really like this. I'm excited to give this a go. And then finally we have a face mask. This is the Foreo Bulgarian Rose Hydrating Face Mask. It has one sheet mask inside, and it just looks like this. I'm sure we all know Foreo from their devices that are like a couple of €100, but these are basically for, well, you can just use them as a normal sheet mask, or you can use your Foreo on top of it. I think you can go into the Foreo app, tell them which sheet mask you're going to use, it'll sync to your device, and then once you put the sheet mask on and use your device on it, it knows what face mask you're using. I'm pretty sure, if I can remember correctly. But you can also just use this as a normal sheet mask. It says, introducing the world's first dual mode mask. Used as a regular sheet mask, this highly hydrating Bulgarian Rose formula replenishes skin in 20 minutes. But if you don't have much time to spare, this innovative mask can also be paired with a Foreo UFO device to enhance your mask's active ingredients and absorption in just 2 minutes. Yeah, so I was right, you sync it to your device, which is so cool in my opinion, because I'm like, imagine being able to have a face mask penetrating into your skin after 2 minutes, or you can just use it as a normal one. So it says that this sheet mask is worth over €7. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I do like getting face masks in boxes, because I usually do a face mask once a week, roughly, maybe once every 2 weeks. So I love to have a back stash of it, and I currently have 5 left, I think. So I'm so glad to add one to my collection. I'm also very excited that it's one I've not tried before. Rose sometimes irritates my skin. I know it's meant to soothe your skin, but sometimes it irritates my skin, so I'll let you know how I get on with this. But no, I am very, 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 very excited to try this. And yeah, that's the last thing in our box. So guys, just as a reminder of what we got the Foreo sheet mask, we got the Brushworks back combing brush, we got the Dr. lip, cheeks and eyelid tint, we got the Rodial sculpting gel, we got the Emma Hardy revitalizing cream, we got the Espa shampoo, and for some reason in mine we got the Santier Parisian Embrace perfume. So do I think this is a good box this month? Yeah, I absolutely do. I really enjoy this box. The only thing I would say I'd like to change is the Dragon's Blood from Rodial and the Emma Hardy. I would have liked one or the other, not both of them in the same box, because to me they're two similar products for me to like actually enjoy them in the box. However, I did really enjoy this box this month. I've loved the other 2 boxes that I've got so far. I'm really sorry I have not shared them with you, but I'll be sharing these with you from now on. So keep an eye out on my channel. Make sure you subscribe so you get to see what my box is looking like every single month. And I'm going to try to figure out why this is in it. See if anyone else got this fragrance, because it's not on the website. So I don't know whether it was accidentally put in here or what. I'm not too sure. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been subscribed and have been like, why is she not posting? I am back. I promise I am back. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Come join the family. We are growing rapidly and I'm forever grateful. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.